What if I told you there is a tool that lets you track exactly where big players, so smart money, are positioned? So in this video I'm gonna break down how exactly the anchored VWAP works, why people use it, and how can you incorporate it in your trading. Before I begin, I want to let you know in the bio of this video you're gonna find the link for Discord, Telegram, or Bootcamp as well. Also, if you wanna play with me, my private network is currently unlocked. If you want to join that, you can do it now before it gets locked up again. I made 30k trading last month, so I traded this live in the Discord. If you want to join, feel free to do that. Now, what is the definition of the anchored VWAP? It's a volume-weighted average price which is calculated from a specific point in time. The reason it's valuable because it tracks the average price paid by participants sees a key event. So marking things like earnings, market open, or breakout, a key low, pivot low, or a pivot high. It's like balance point for price, showing you the level where traders are most invested. Why smart money use that? Well, because it identifies, first in terms of application, you need to know that it identifies the key level of support and resistance. It's laid on top of the strength of the trend. And also it is tracking the area where smart money is likely to be positioned. If price stays above anchored VWAP, it shows that buyers are in control. If price is below that, sellers dominate. The way to use the anchored VWAP in the trading is first, you need to set the anchor point, which can be key event like earning release, a breakout, breakdown, market opens, or specific time intervals. For example, after a breakout, anchor VWAP at the breakout point helps to track the strength of the move. And analyzing the price behavior around that VWAP, so you can use it for dynamic support and resistance. You need to look for tests and rejections of the level to identify the opportunities. Combining the anchored VWAP with other things, so with volume analysis, RSI, moving average, for additional confluence, you can do that as well. And when price tests the anchored VWAP with increasing volume, it often signals a trend continuation. Let's look at a few examples. So in this example, you see we have the anchored VWAP from the Q3 breakdown of Bitcoin, key pivotal low. It gets tested during Q4 of 2024, and it's the bottom. We bounce, we backtest, we continue with the uptrend. Another example, the anchored VWAP from the all-time high, from over here. It got tested during April of 2022, which was that fake out. Tested and trend continuation. If it was reclaimed, then maybe we would have gone for another all-time high, but you rejected that same anchored VWAP and you continue with the downtrend. Another example on the 4-hour time frame of BTC. So this is from the October lows. Test, bounce, test, bounce, test, bounce, trend continuation. Another test, another bounce, ladies and gentlemen. Another example, you see you have the 1-hour time frame, the anchored VWAP from the high, test, rejection, test, rejection, test, rejection, breakdown. Come above, reclaim, uptrend. Why? Because buyers took control. It's a very simple thing, but it's very useful. Now, bounce markets are, VWAP is about patience and precision. Now, you need to be in tune with the market. And the way to do that is looking at non-biased information. Now, looking at this information is gonna allow you to be non-biased because you know if it goes above, you're gonna be looking for higher. If it goes below, you're gonna be looking for lower. But in the meantime, when price is below it, you're gonna be looking for short setups. When price is above it, you're gonna be looking for long setups. And this changes if you lose that. It's very simple, right? But it's a non-biased tool, right? Like it's objective, it's not subjective. If price does this, I'm gonna be doing this. If price does this, I'm gonna be doing X, Y, Z. And it gives you that non-bias. Like the biased traders, they're like, it's continuing to go up, go up, go up, go up. But when you have a sign of weakness, an example right here, why would you be longing that market? Makes not much sense, right? So yeah, I wish you learn more about this because it's very powerful. See you in the Discord, see you in the Telegram, and take care.